Understanding tax withholding, claiming 1 versus 0.
Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing a question that often perplexes taxpayers. What's the difference between claiming 1 and 0 on your taxes? These numbers relate to the concept of withholding, which is how much of your paycheck is set aside for taxes. Let's dive deeper to make sense of this critical aspect of personal finance.
What does claiming 1 or 0 mean?
The numbers you claim on your W-4 form, which you fill out when you start a new job, determine how much of your income is withheld for federal income taxes. The W-4 form essentially asks the government to withhold a certain amount of your paycheck. When you claim a 1 or a 0, you're telling your employer and the IRS how many personal allowances you have. An allowance is essentially a value that reduces the amount of money that gets withheld from your paycheck. If you claim 1, it means you are claiming 1 personal allowance. This results in less tax being withheld from your paycheck, so you'll have more take-home pay throughout the year. If you claim 0, you're saying you have no allowances. This will lead to more tax being withheld from your paycheck. Your take-home pay will be less throughout the year, but you might get a bigger tax refund at the end of the tax year.
How do I decide whether to claim 1 or 0?
Deciding whether to claim 1 or 0 depends on several factors, including your income, filing status, and personal financial situation. If you're single, have one job, and no dependents, claiming 1 could be a good option. This means less tax will be withheld from each paycheck, and you might get a smaller refund, or potentially owe a little, when you file your taxes. On the other hand, if you prefer to get a larger refund at tax time, you might opt to claim 0. This results in more tax being withheld from each paycheck, potentially leading to a larger refund. Remember, though, that getting a big tax refund isn't necessarily a good thing. It means you've given the government an interest-free loan throughout the year. Ideally, you want to aim for a balance, where you don't owe a lot of money at tax time, but you also don't get a huge refund. Understanding the implications of claiming 1 or 0 on your taxes is crucial for your financial planning. When you know how these numbers will affect your take-home pay and potential tax refund, you can make informed decisions that suit your financial needs. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It all depends on your individual circumstances. We hope this video has provided a clear explanation to help you navigate this complex topic. Thanks for watching.